Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit number 2, Class 3, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 2, Addition and Subtraction. This is your math teacher, Amber Akhar. The topic is addition with regrouping. Learning outcomes. At the end of the unit, students will be able to add 4 digits with regrouping, regrouping with tens, regrouping with hundreds, regrouping with thousands. Addition regrouping with tens. As we know that regrouping means with carryover. Regrouping with tens means carry over tens. Let us learn with example. Find the sum of 4,752 and 3,131. Let's represent the number in base and block system. So the first addend is 4,000, so we have to use the 4 blocks of thousands and 3 blocks and 3 blocks for thousands, and then hundreds, 700s for first number and 100 for the second number. Tens, 5 tens for first number and 3 tens for the second number, 2 ones for first number and 9 for the another number. Okay, 2 plus 9 is equals to 11. As we know that we cannot write two numbers or two digits in one column, so we have to regroup tens. So there are one block of 10 column will be carry over on the tens column. So there is what left? One month left. So in the tens column there are 5 plus 3 already tens here, and when we add the carry over 1 10, so we get 9 tens, and 7 plus 1 is obviously 8, and 4 plus 3 obviously 9. So the sum of these two numbers is 7,891. Addition regrouping with hundreds. Regrouping with hundreds means carry over 100. Let us learn with example. Find the sum of 4,762 and 3,139. So represent the numbers in base and block system. So we have to represent all the numbers like this: 4,000 for first number, 3,000 for second number, 700 for first number, 100 for second number, 6 tens for first number, 3 tens for second number, 2 ones for first number and 9 ones for second number. Now start add. As we know that 2 plus 9 is 11, so one block of 10 will be carry over on tens column. So here how many tens? 6 plus 3 is 9 and one more 10. So 10 tens. 10 tens means we have to 10 tens means 100. So 100 will be moved over hundreds column. So there is no tens left in the tens column. So now let's count hundreds blocks. So there are 7 already, and 1 the second number block, and 100 for the carryover. So total hundreds blocks are 9, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So the sum of these two numbers is 7901. Addition regrouping with 1000. Regrouping with 1000 means carry over 1000. Let's learn with example. Find the sum of 4863 and 3238. Now represent the number in Blazed and block system. So 4 for first 4000 for first number, 3000 for second number, 8800 for first number, 200 for second number, 6 tens for first number and 3 tens for next number, second number, 3 ones for first number and 8 ones for second number. Now start addition. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 110 will be carried over tens column. Again we have 6 plus 3 is 9 tens and 1 when we add 1 more 10, so we will get 10 tens. So 110 will be over carry over in the hundreds column. 110 means 100. So here already we have 8 plus 2 is 10 and 1 more, so 1100. So 1100 means 110 will be carry over on the thousands column. 110 means 1000. So 1000 will be carry over on the thousands column. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and 1 more 1000 is 8. So the result is the sum of these two numbers is 8101. Let's do practice. 5638 plus 3252. 8 plus 2, start from ones column. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 will carry over 10. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 100. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the sum is 8890. Now add 5678 and 3252. Start from the ones column. 8 plus 2 is 7. 1 will be carry over on tens column. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 will be carry over on hundreds column. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the sum is 8930. Thank you so much. I hope you understood how we add regrouping in addition. Keep practicing to be perfect in it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.